How to fix highlights not working on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve the Instagram highlights problem on your Android device. First, open Instagram and try tapping on a highlight to confirm the issue. After that, swipe the app away from your recent apps to close it completely and reopen it to see if that helps. From there, if it's still not working, go to your home screen. Long press the Instagram icon and tap App Info. At this point, tap Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted temporary files. Following this, if the problem continues, long press the Instagram icon again, tap App Info, and tap Force Stop before reopening the app. Once done, open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available update. From here, if it's still not fixed, long press the icon, tap App Info, tap Storage, and this time tap Clear Data. Keep in mind this will sign you out, so have your login details ready. Finally, if nothing has worked so far, uninstall Instagram, restart your device, reinstall it fresh from the Play Store, and sign back in. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the highlights problem on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.